Yeah, wait till you see the engine cover. I'm gonna let you open the door right there and see it, and then show it to everybody.
Oh, nice. Oh my God. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Man, it's been a while since I've been in this garage doing a video, but anyway, today is really exciting because I got my new engine cover, and I'm going to take it over to my neighbor Mark's house, and we're going to install it over there. It's a very easy install, but I thought it'd be kind of a fun little video to just go over there and have him help me and show you guys how to install this thing. So anyway, before we get into the video, if you have not smashed that thumbs up button, please do so. I love my thumbs up crowd. They do an excellent job. If you have not joined the wonderful Brink of Speed community, please do so by smashing that red subscribe and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. All right, let's get going over to Mark's.
Check it out, guys. Mark's gonna help me install this beautiful engine cover.
Absolutely. Good to see you, Mike.
You too, man.
Yeah, good to see you.
It's been too long since you've been on video.
I know. We've been hanging out. We just haven't been videoing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You've had so much work done on the car since then, huh?
I know.
I mean, I see a high-wing spoiler.
It's super dirty right now, though, so it's
You won't be able to tell you on video, I don't think, but
probably not.
Got the high-wing spoiler. You got your glass, your etched glass back.
Yeah.
A lot of work been done on this. This looks
Wait till you see the engine cover. I'm gonna let you open the door right there and see it, and then show it to everybody.
Oh, nice. Oh my God, did you just get this?
I did today.
Oh my God.
Show everybody.
Look at
Woo!
that color. Look at that.
Isn't that amazing?
That is unbelievable.
Now that was done by James over at Bad Boy Vets.
Yeah.
And he did, in my opinion, an excellent job.
Oh, the paint lines are unbelievable.
Yeah. And it comes with a lifetime warranty.
How did he get the paint even behind this this Corvette emblem?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah, he did an excellent
and
job.
And the red on, that is, oh man, that's going to look at that.
Yeah.
That's going to look great.
It is.
Well, let's put it on. Let's get it.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so the first thing that we have to do is obviously undo some things inside here. This is the first thing that we have to take off. It is kind of like a quick release. I'll get close up to that. Then we have to remove that. And then we have to get rid of these, I think they're 8mm bolts, and there's 4 of them.
So you need 8mm
socket
for that?
Sockets, yep.
All right.
So I'm going to try and take this off first. Let's see if I can. Yep, that's a quick release, and that's off. So that's loose. All right, so we're going to undo this next. And that should just pop right out of there, I believe. What do you think? There it comes. There it is. Okay, that's off of there now. This is off. I think that's it. Okay,
Yeah.
Yep, so now we just need to do the 8mm. Oh, that's not 8mm.
Okay.
That's bigger than 8. Yep, it's a 10. All right, so it's not an 8, guys. This is a 10. Oh, you know what? I'm doing the wrong one.
You're taking off the intake,
I'm
Mike.
taking off the wrong thing.
We're not changing the intake.
This is what I'm trying to take off right here. There we go. Leave it to me.
It's all right. Mike's taking the fuel rail off here.
Yeah.
I'm going to put a nitro system in here. That's next week's video, right?
Right. Exactly. You guys didn't know, but I'm getting nitrous on this thing.
Okay. How many bolts are on that side? Only 2,
Just
right?
2 and 2 on that side. I would not want to work on this car. Especially because I just drove it.
It's warm.
And it's warm. There we go. I think this will pop off. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yep,
Easy.
there it is. Check
Easy.
that out.
Yep.
Piece of cake.
There you go.
So,
Just put that in my C7 right over there.
okay,
Just put it right
we'll install it right after we're done installing this.
I think we can make it fit.
I think we can too.
Oh, look at that thing. That is unbelievable.
It's gorgeous. They did an excellent job.
Yeah.
So let me know what you guys think in the comments. So, let's go ahead and try and get this back in as smoothly as possible. Yep, looks like it's...
Oh, you got it right here.
This needs to go back up there.
All right, we got the top in there, seated right. Just had to move a couple things to make sure that they were routed right. Looks good.
And now
Play it
we're
off.
gonna-
It's in.
We're gonna go ahead and put the screws back in. I'm just gonna get these almost all the way tight and then get those down. Hold it right now, pull back. Right there. This one's right.
There's really not much to it, is there?
There's not.
To put that in there.
It's
Yeah.
pretty simple. Which, I mean, it should be. This is...
I can't wait to do the engine cover on my hardtop convertible.
Exactly.
No? I can't do it?
I wish, man. I wish you had an engine cover.
Yep, no.
Let's plug this back in.
It is an engine cover. It's a big plastic sheeting right over the top.
Yeah. Show how I do this. I'm just pressing it, and there it's back on. And then this, same thing. This should just pop right back in. Yep, and that's back in.
Right in there, yep.
And we'll get these all the way tight. That's good. And that's good. All right.
Look at that. It's just jumping out of the engine
It
compartment.
is
Look at that.
amazing.
Look at that.
That is beautiful.
Very nice. Look at that.
It looks great on camera. I mean, usually cameras don't do justice, but
No, this really does. And the paint is just so perfect. I mean,
Yeah,
look
it
at
is.
the edges that he did there.
it is beautiful.
Very nice.
Yep. Well, thanks for helping me, Mark.
Oh, yeah. That was. I wish you had more to do. That was
I know.
pretty fast.
It was super easy.
That's pretty easy.
But I will have more to do.
What?
As soon as I get my front splitter from ACS Composite,
Oh,
you can help me do that.
Very nice. Yeah, we maybe throw it up on the lift if
Yeah,
you need to.
yeah, we'll throw it up on that lift right there. That way we can get
Yeah.
easy access to the front, just like this.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
little C3 he's got up here.
Yeah. Selling them soon. Mike, have you talked to Rod over at Classic Chevrolet? Might get my car soon?
Oh, we gotta go see him, don't
Yeah,
we?
we do. We have to go see him. We got to put some pressure on him. I'm still waiting. How long ago did we do that?
Hey, I gotta put pressure on him too.
Yeah.
I've got a Z06 that I gotta put pressure on for.
So I got my order number. I've had it for 6 months, 5 months. I'm just waiting for it to. Yeah.
Well, I think you'll get yours sooner than you think.
I don't know.
There-
Isn't the Corvette plant shut down right now?
It is. I haven't read into why.
Yeah. Some supplier
is.
issue, right?
Yeah, something
Yeah.
crazy.
Yep. Well. Yep. It'll come, I guess.
Well, that's going to do it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for pressing that play button. I hope you enjoyed this engine cover. Again, this is Bad Boy Vets who did this. I'll link them in the description down below. They actually have 3 locations. I think it's Iowa, here, and then Florida. So James is a great guy. He'll take great care of you. But if you enjoyed the video, give us a big thumbs up. If you have not joined the Brink of Speed community, help me reach 50,000 subs this year, 2021. And I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you out on the road.